Hello students, welcome to the session of constructions. Today we are going to discuss how to construct an angle. This is exercise 11.1 continuation only. How to make one ray. Draw one ray. Give some name for this ray. This is actually O point. This one is A. A ray has a starting point and no ending point. Okay. For this, next we have to make an angle 45 degree. No, for 45 degree, first we have to draw 90 degree. Take a compass and choose the minimum measurement. With O as center, draw a semicircle. We know 45 degree is actually half of 90 degree. So first we make a 90 degree value. Actually, with O as center, we draw one semicircle. This semicircle passes through the ray OA. We give some name here. That is actually C. Okay. Another one. The same measurement only with C as center. Draw an arc. This is second arc. Again, the second arc as center. Next, we have to draw the third arc. Next, with this, actually this is D, this is E. With D as center, we have to draw one arc. With E as center, we have to draw another one arc. Actually, these two arcs meeting at one point, no. The point is actually F. Now we have to give some name. This is actually D. The next one is E. This one is F. The ray is actually, we give some name, that is B. Okay. Now we get a 90 degree value. This BOA is actually 90 degree. Next we have to make 45 degree. Actually this C to F, the value is actually 90 degree. Half of 90 degree is actually 45 degree. Next we are going to make a 45 degree value. Actually measure the CF value. This is actually CF, no. More than half of CF we have to select. Okay, this is half of CF. More than CF we have to select. With F as center, draw one arc. Again with C as center, draw one arc. Now these two arcs meeting at one point, no. Join the point actually. Give some name. This is actually G. Okay, yeah. Now we get actually GOA. This is actually 45 degree. For this we have to make a some construction also, because we are going to justify the construction. Now we just join FG and GC. By construction, angle AOB values actually 90 degree. We join FG and CG, no. Okay. In triangles OGF, this triangle OGF and another one triangle is actually OGC. In triangle OGF and OGC, you just look at these two triangles. In these two triangles, GF equal to GC. What is the reason? Actually arcs of equal radii. Okay. Another one, OF equal to OC. This value, actually OF equal to OC. The same reason only, radii of the same arc. Okay. Another one, this OG is actually common. So easily we have to mention triangle OGF is congruent to triangle OGC. Is this clear? This triangle OGF is congruent to OGC. Now using CPCT condition, easily we have to take angle GOF equal to GOC. Okay. triangle OGF is congruent to triangle OGC by triple S congruence rule. These two triangles are congruent. Now easily we have to apply CPCT condition. So by CPCT condition, angle GOF equal to angle GOC. So GOF plus angle GOC is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now we know GOF equal to GOC. Now we have to apply here GOF equal to GOC. So 2 angle GOF is equal to 90 degree. So GOF is equal to actually 45 degree. The same reason is applicable for angle GOC. So easily we have to write GOF equal to GOC is equal to 45 degree. Therefore angle AOG equal to 45 degree. Next one, construct the angles of the following measurements. First subdivision 30 degree, second subdivision 22.5 degree, third subdivision 15 degree. The first one is actually 30 degree. How can we draw an angle 30 degree? We know already how to construct an angle of 60 degree. So half of 60 degree is 30 degree. So the same procedure only now we are going to follow. The first one, for 30 degree, draw a ray AB with initial point A. First we are going to draw one ray. Draw a ray AB with initial point A. This is first step. Second step, taking A as center and some suitable radius, draw an arc which intersects AB at C. Now we have to draw an arc. This arc intersects AB at C. Okay. We get some intersecting point now. In this point, the same radius only we have to use. Again with C as center, draw another one arc. Okay. This point is actually, this intersecting point is D. Now draw one line. Actually draw the ray AD and produced it. Okay, give some name for this. This is X. Okay. The third step is actually taking C and D as centers and with the radius more than half of DC, draw arcs which intersect each other at E. We have to select more than half of this value CD. With C as center, draw one arc. With D as center, we have to draw another one arc. These two arcs meeting at one point, no, we get some intersecting point. This is actually E. Now join AE. This BAE value is 30 degree. This value BAE is equal to 30 degree. We have to mention this is 30 degree. Therefore, angle BAE equal to 30 degree. That's all. Construct an angle of 22.5 degree. Actually, first for this we have to draw angle 90 degree. The same procedure only. First we have to draw one ray. Give some name. This is starting point is O and the next one is B. So OB is one ray. Next we have to take a compass and choose minimum radius. We have to choose some radius with O as center. Draw a semicircle. Okay. We get one intersecting point. This is actually C. With C as center, the same radius only we have to use. Draw another one arc. Give some name for this. This is actually D. Another one. With D as center, we have to draw another one arc. The third arc actually name is E. Now with D and E as center, we have to draw another two arcs. Now we get one intersecting point O. We just join that OA. Okay, this is actually 90-degree value. First we have to draw 90-degree, then we have to draw 45-degree. We have to choose this more than half value. For this arc we have to choose more than half. With C as center, draw one arc. In this point actually a center, we have to draw another one arc. These two arcs meeting at one point O. This is actually give some name, that is F. Now join OF. Actually this OF ray is bisects the angle AOB into two equal parts. So this is 90-degree, means this value is actually 45-degree. But we need here 22.5-degree. So this value is actually 45-degree. Now we have to divide the angles. Okay. So the same measurement, we have to choose this arc value. We have to choose half of the arc value, more than half of the arc value. Now we get one intersecting point. This value is actually 22.5-degree. We give some name for this N. So NOB value is 22.5-degree. That's all.